Hey there! So in this video, I'm gonna spill the beans on this awesome free platform where you can make some extra cash just by doing online surveys and offers. The best part? You can cash out super quick with crypto, gift cards, PayPal, and a bunch of other options. It's like finding money in your couch cushions, but way easier. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. I'm always sharing amazing and effective methods to make money online, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe. And it would be great if you commented down below from which country you are watching this video so I can create specific videos for your region. Now, let's get started. Check this out. You can make some extra cash just by doing stuff online. Cool, right? LootGain is a website where you can earn money by filling out surveys, playing games, and doing other easy tasks on the internet. They've teamed up with big market research companies, so it's legit. The best part? You can cash out your earnings right away in crypto, gift cards, PayPal, or whatever floats your boat. And get this, it's open to people all over the world. So if you're looking to make a few bucks in your spare time, why not give it a shot? So here's the deal with these offers. They're pretty straightforward. You'll usually come across stuff that wants you to sign up for a website or app, fill out a quick survey, check out a video, or maybe play around with a mobile game. Once you've done the thing they're asking, boom, you get your reward. And don't worry about running out of things to do. These offer walls are loaded with options, so you can keep earning to your heart's content. LootGain actually pretty generous when it comes to paid offers. They tend to dish out more than a lot of other Djibouti sites out there. So if you're looking to make some extra cash, they might be worth checking out. Want to make some easy cash? Check out LootGain's daily check-in deal. It's super simple. Just pop in once a day. Takes like 2 seconds and boom, you've got some extra dough. Can't do it more than once a day, but hey, it's free money for barely any effort. Pretty sweet, right? And get this, LootGain's got this cool referral program. You just share your link, and when someone signs up through it, boom, they're your referral. The sweet part? You get a 5% cut every time they earn something. Sure, it's not gonna make you rich overnight, but hey, it's free money coming your way while you chill. Pretty neat way to pad your wallet without lifting a finger. You know all that loot you've been racking up? Well, you can actually turn it into some pretty sweet rewards. We're talking cold hard cash through PayPal, some crypto if that's your thing, gift cards for your favorite stores, or even a prepaid Visa card to splurge on whatever you want. Picture getting paid for stuff you're already doing online. Well, that's what LootGain's all about. It's like turning your internet habits into a cool little moneymaker on the side. Tons of people are already cashing in on their online shenanigans, so why not you? Jump on board and start living life your way. It's that easy. Sign up to LootGain now and start earning money today. It's quick and easy, and the extra cash is yours to keep. In the end, thank you for taking the time to watch the entire video. If you found it valuable and enjoyable, we would greatly appreciate it if you could show your support by giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and sharing it with others. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos like this.